Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bodyweight and Health Management channel. You know that feeling when you're looking in the mirror and you're feeling strong, fit, and just powerful? That's what we're all about here. And today we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you are keen on, how to get toned without bulking up. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't that what Thor does? Bulk up? And yeah, playing the God of Thunder does require a certain level of, shall we say, muscle maintenance. But trust me, there's a whole world of fitness out there that focuses on building lean, defined muscle without packing on the mass. We're talking about achieving that incredible feeling of strength and agility where your body moves with power and grace. So, if you're ready to sculpt a physique that's as much about functional strength as it is about looking fantastic, stick around. We're about to break down the best workouts and strategies to help you achieve your fitness goals. Chapter 1. What's the deal? First things first, let's clear up some confusion. What's the difference between building lean muscle and bulking up? Well, lean muscle refers to strong, toned muscles without excessive mass. Think of dancers, yoga practitioners, or martial artists. They have defined, functional muscles without the bulk. Bulking up, on the other hand, involves building muscle mass, often through heavyweight training and high-calorie intake. That's great if you want size, and hey, sometimes a role calls for it, but it's not the goal for everyone. To achieve lean muscle, the focus should be on exercises that improve muscle endurance, strength, and definition, rather than just muscle size. Imagine this. You're moving through your day, effortlessly carrying groceries, playing with your kids, or conquering that hiking trail you've had your eye on. That's the power of lean muscle. It's about feeling strong and capable in your everyday life, not just looking good in the mirror. And that's exactly what we'll be talking about next. We're going to dive into the workouts that will help you build that kind of functional strength, the kind that makes you feel unstoppable. Chapter 2. Workouts for a lean physique. So, what types of workouts should you be doing to get toned without bulking up? Let's dive into some effective exercises that will help you achieve that lean, sculpted look. Get ready to unleash your inner warrior because we're about to break it down. These workouts are designed to build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall fitness. 1. Pilates. Pilates is fantastic for building core strength, improving flexibility, and toning muscles. It's a full-body workout that targets every muscle group. Because it focuses on low-impact resistance training, you can gain strength without adding bulk. The controlled movements ensure that you engage your muscles effectively. Plus, it's amazing for posture. Regular practice can help correct imbalances and align your spine. Good posture, instant confidence boost right there. You'll not only look taller but also feel more self-assured. 2. Yoga. Yoga is another low-impact workout that promotes lean muscle by using your body weight. It's perfect for those who want to build strength and flexibility simultaneously. Poses like the plank, warrior, and downward dog build upper body strength while lengthening muscles for a defined look. These poses also improve balance and stability. Plus, yoga is incredible for mindfulness and stress relief. It helps you connect with your breath and find inner peace. 3. Bodyweight training. Exercises like push-ups, planks, lunges, and squats improve strength and muscle tone without requiring heavy weights. These exercises are versatile and can be modified to suit any fitness level. High repetitions with low resistance are key. This approach helps in building endurance and muscle definition. You can do these exercises anywhere, anytime. No gym, no problem. Your living room, a park, or even your office can become your workout space. 4. Lightweight training. If you do use weights, choose light to moderate weights with higher repetitions. This method helps in toning muscles and increasing endurance. This helps tone muscles instead of adding bulk. Resistance bands can also be a great addition to your routine. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weight, it's about challenging yourself with proper form and control. Consistency and technique are more important than the amount of weight you lift. 5. Cardio workouts. Incorporate cardiovascular exercises like swimming, cycling, or running to burn fat, and highlight your muscle definition. These activities also improve your cardiovascular health. Cardio is not only great for your heart health, but it also gives you that extra energy to power through your day. It boosts your metabolism and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, the key here is to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your workouts accordingly. Don't be afraid to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Progression is important for continuous improvement. And most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoying your workouts will make it easier to stay consistent. Find activities you enjoy, and you'll be much more likely to stick with them. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, make it fun and engaging. Chapter 3. Finding your rhythm. Now let's talk about reps and sets. These are the building blocks of any effective workout routine. For muscle toning, you should aim for 12 to 15 reps per set, and around 3 to 4 sets per exercise. This range helps in building endurance and muscle definition. Keeping your rest period between sets around 30 to 60 seconds will also help keep your muscles engaged, without causing excessive muscle growth. This balance is crucial for maintaining a lean physique. Think of it like this: you're building endurance and definition, not necessarily trying to lift the heaviest weight possible. It's about controlled, deliberate movements. It's like a dance between your body and the exercise. Each movement should flow smoothly into the next, creating a rhythm that feels almost natural. You're finding your rhythm, pushing yourself just enough to feel the burn, but not so much that you burn out. This balance is key to long-term success. For example, if you're doing bodyweight squats, try doing 3 sets of 15 reps each. This will help in building lower body strength and endurance. And if you're using dumbbells, opt for lighter weights like 2 to 5 kilograms and perform higher repetitions. This approach helps in muscle toning without adding bulk. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Each rep should be performed with precision and control. Focus on maintaining good form throughout each rep. Listen to your body. Proper form reduces the risk of injury and maximizes the effectiveness of your workout. If you're feeling the burn after 12 reps, that's great. It means your muscles are being effectively challenged. If you need to take a slightly longer rest between sets, that's perfectly fine. Listen to your body and give it the time it needs to recover. The most important thing is to find what works best for you and your fitness level. Everyone's body responds differently to exercise, and don't be afraid to mix things up. Trying new exercises can keep your routine exciting and prevent plateaus. Variety is key to keeping your workouts interesting and challenging. It also helps in working different muscle groups. Try different exercises, different rep ranges, and different set numbers. This experimentation can lead to discovering what your body responds to best. The more you challenge your body in new ways, the better results you'll see. Keep pushing your limits and enjoy the journey of finding your rhythm. Chapter 4. The Power of Nutrition. Workouts are just one piece of the puzzle. Your diet plays a huge role in how your muscles develop. To get toned without bulking up, prioritize a high-protein, moderate carbohydrate, and low-fat diet. Think of your body like a finely tuned machine. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, would you? The same goes for your body. You need to give it the right nutrients to perform at its best. Lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and beans are excellent. These foods provide the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow stronger after a workout. Also, be mindful of your calorie intake. You want to be eating just enough to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery without a significant calorie surplus. It's all about finding that balance between giving your body the energy it needs without overdoing it. And don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for muscle function and overall health. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Remember, you are what you eat. So, make sure you're fueling your body with the good stuff. A healthy diet combined with the right workouts will help you achieve that lean, toned physique you're after. Chapter 5. The Secret Weapon. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. It's the secret weapon that many overlook in their fitness journey. Getting enough rest allows your muscles to repair and strengthen without growing excessively. This downtime is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Think of it like this: when you're sleeping, your body is hard at work, rebuilding and repairing those muscle fibers you broke down during your workout. It's like a construction crew working the night shift. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and include rest days in your routine. These rest days are as important as your workout days. Rest days are not lazy days. They are essential for your body to recover and for your mind to reset. They're an essential part of the process. Embrace them as part of your fitness journey. They give your body a chance to recharge and come back even stronger. You'll feel the difference in your next workout. Stretching and foam rolling are also great ways to speed up recovery and improve flexibility. These activities help maintain muscle health. Think of it like giving your muscles a little TLC. It's a way to show your body some love. Stretching helps to lengthen and loosen up those tight muscles, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. While foam rolling can help to release knots and improve blood flow. Listen to your body. It knows what it needs. If you're feeling sore, take a rest day. Your body is telling you it needs time to heal. If you're feeling tight, do some stretching. It can make a world of difference. Your body will thank you for it. You'll feel more relaxed and ready for your next challenge. Remember, getting toned is not just about pushing yourself to the limit every single day. It's about smart training and smart recovery. It's about finding that balance between pushing yourself and giving your body the rest it needs to recover and rebuild. Balance is key. So prioritize your recovery and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Your future self will thank you. And that's it. I hope you found these tips helpful for achieving a toned, lean physique without bulking up. Remember, it's all about the right workouts, the right diet, and the right recovery methods. It's about feeling strong, confident, and capable in your own skin. It's about embracing a holistic approach to fitness, one that nourishes your body and mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Body Make and Health Manage, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.